Okay folks, just a quick video. I'm going to do something completely crazy here. The wind's died off a bit. I'm going to take the E59 out and I'm going to see how high she's going to go. I've just done a bit of a tunnel video. I really want to see how high this baby goes, because I reckon it goes a long way compared to my other drones, which I might, the JJRC brother and sister. I might give them a bit of a height check as well while we're here. But more importantly, let's do this one first. The E59, let's go. I'm completely expecting to lose this, so don't say, oh you idiot, you've lost it. Just want to see how high I'm going to go. I've got a bit of a headwind coming in, so let's just get him straight up there. And I'm going to stick it on number 3. Setting, which we all know is the fastest. First of all, just sort out our, easy on, just get our trim sorted here. Okay, so, oh yeah, sorry, I'm not doing flips, am I? No. Yeah, already it's pushing towards me. I've got full speed ahead forward, so we're going to lose it over onto the road. So we'll just have to go out here a little bit. Come on, out you go. Try and adjust my trim a bit. Cancel that. Return to home. Okay, not looking too bad now. So this is the fastest setting, number 3. Okay, we ready? Let's go from a land. Okay, ready? Let's see how high the E59 will travel, and we are off. Oh, my caramba. It's still going up. It's still going up. It's still going up. And it's still going up. I'm sort of controlling it. Oh, it's out of sight. I'm going to have to kill it. I can't even see it. I don't know. I've got no idea where it is. Return to home. Well, you saw it first, folks. I hate to say it, because I love that drone. I've completely lost it. It went that high up that it went that high up. No. It went that high up that I lost sight of it completely. And it's come back down to earth. And all I can do is guess where it went. It's somewhere around here. Oh, that's a real pity. Damn! I may appear not to be annoyed, but that's only because I appear it. I am quite frustrated. It's very annoying. So anyway, quick recap. The E59 flies a bloody long way up, folks. And the further up you go, the longer it takes to land. So what happened was, I lost sight of it, and it looks like I kept control for a long period of time. But it just drifted, and there's a bit of wind here, so all I can assume is it's gone this way, but I have no idea. I think it's fair to say it's lost. I'll just do a quick scout around the oval, see if I can find it. There you have it, folks. Eachine E59, range A triple plus, freaking outstanding. Positives, range, outstanding. Negatives, don't like the wind, and when you've flown it too high, yeah, you lose it, which is what I've just done. I've lost my drone. Oh well. Hope you guys got something from this. I like to predict the meterage. I'd probably say it was a good 70-80 meters that went, possibly even around 100. As I said, I actually lost sight of it. I couldn't see it anymore. It's completely disappeared. So all I can assume is the wind took it that way, and it's, yeah, somewhere over there. So anyway, my loss, your gain. You can actually fly this drone out of sight because there's no FPV. Yeah, keep an eye on it, guys, you'll lose it. Yeah, drop us a thumbs up. Any comments, any idea where it went, drop us a message, all good. And if anyone out there needs an Eachine E59 remote, only used a couple of times, good nick, yeah, drop me a line. I'll give it away. The funniest comment of the day gets the giveaway, and that includes the box and the props as well that I've got spare. No worries. Good on you guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your giggles, and I'll catch up with you later. Goodbye for now. I'm going to go research some more drones to buy, because this one's no good anymore. No, I'm not going to fly these either, I'll probably lose them too.